As an industry professional, you know the challenges your company faces every day when managing complex civil engineering projects. Digital tools are driving higher and higher data volumes. Businesses are getting more complex and distributed, and design and construction firms are under relentless pressure to become more productive and time-cost efficient. How does your company keep pace with these formidable challenges to win more contracts, bigger contracts, and new clients? Project efficiency is possible when all stakeholders are collaborating and adhering to schedules and budgets. But if your project data is incorrect for one team, it can have a ripple effect on the entire project, causing delays, rework, and maybe even work stoppage. Effective data management is essential to success in this hotly competitive civil engineering market. The Autodesk vision for data management is based on a complete digital project view with secure information available to every qualified stakeholder. This vision is realized by Autodesk Vault Professional. Vault Professional is a data management tool suite for civil engineers that fosters collaboration and superior results within a workflow-driven environment. Vault Professional automates, standardizes, and tracks processes, giving you a single source of the truth for all your engineering documentation. Autodesk Vault Professional works with tools like AutoCAD Civil 3D to help protect teams from unintentionally overwriting each other's data. Vault offers easy administration, configuration, and scalability for every civil engineering firm involved in the project. Isn't it time your company maximized its ROI for project data management, saving man-hours, improving project efficiency, and improving your project collaboration? Integrate project data management into your design workflow today. Autodesk Vault Professional is the best way for your entire team to work together and share and use information like never before.